male seahorse gives birth.
Bro, what are you talking about?
You asked?
Asked what?
We're playing Are You Smarter Than a 5th Grader? And now he's explaining how male seahorses can give birth. Like I didn't already know that.
Bro, you asked me to explain how.
Dude, what's a seahorse?
Guys, is he serious?
I don't doubt it.
Can someone explain what a seahorse is?
Explain to me, what school are you graduated from?
School? I never went to school.
Oh my fucking pussy, why?
We're 50-meter max. Why would we?
Are you speaking French? Because there's no we in this matter. You're just fucking dumb.
Now you started back to school. You really started to get back to the grade 12. Now, no video games for you! You're grounded! Do you know what's a seahorse give birth? You don't know that, and for now, you getting back to school for grade 12.
Yeah, go back to school, you dumbass, and learn somehow with it.
Yeah, tomorrow you start to get exam and review something else. No video games, no phone, no TV. Get back to your bed and review it, and no games, no watching, and go to your bed right now!
Yes, Daddy. Mitch. Okay, I will review it.
Yeah. Now go!
Well, that's good. Hey, Mitch and Jack. How about we go to the party?
Oh yeah, Robert, let's go! And stay at the room. Write something and review it. And don't go outside. If you go outside, I will belt you. So always stay here. And we're gonna go. Bye!
The Skibidi Giant Mystery Surprise Loot Box has arrived. 20 epic surprises from the Skibidi universe. The Skibidi Toilet Giant Mystery Loot Box. Get yours now.